Hello, do you know how to read these numbers? Because if you don't, that is great, because I'm here to help you. So, to read these numbers, you need to learn what they say. So what we're going to do today is tell you how to say these numbers and how you write them in words. So, this number, do you know what it's called? This number is number 1. So it's the first number that you're going to be learning about. And number 1 is spelt like this. O or O, N or N, and then E or E. Let's go to the second one. So the second number, this one, is number 2. And number 2 is spelt like this. T, T, W, W, or O, O. Okay? And then the third one, the third number in the numbers you're going to be learning about today is number 3. So you've got 1, 2, and 3. And 3 is spelt T, T, H, H, R or R, and then E, E or F, F. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So now number 4, the fourth number. 4 is spelt F, so F, O or O, U or A, and R or R. And then the final one, the biggest number that we'll be learning about here is number 5. So the final ones, you've got number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And 5 is spelled F, I or I, V, V, and E, F. Okay? And that is how you spell and say all of these numbers. Alright, use this information, smash the next games, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!